A demo of the visual testing tool called Diffy. Once you're registered and logged in, you will see the list of your projects. And let's see what you got here. So once you start creating sets of screenshots of your web pages, they will be listed on the left. And the comparison of those screenshots will be listed on the right. So here is one of the comparisons. So you can switch between the breakpoints of which you created your screenshots, and you can scroll the thumbnails to actually see what changes are there. Once you investigate what changes, you can load full images, so you can see our custom algorithm comparing them, and also you can use a slider on the right to actually compare what changed manually. You can also switch to the pixel perfect algorithm. It will show you the changes like with open source tool called Image Magic. But in most of the cases, our custom algorithm is more efficient because it takes care of the shifts of the content, like here. Let me go through a couple of settings of the project so you could see all the functionality that is available. So when you're creating a project, you can specify different environments, and some of them can be protected with basic authentication, so you can bypass it. Also, you can specify the breakpoints you would like to take your screenshots. Then you would need to build a list of URLs that you want to scan. You can either enter them manually or with text area mode, copy pasting them from file, or by scanning your website for internal links. You can also take screenshots as a logged in user. For that, you will need to provide either credentials if it's just Drupal or WordPress website, or if you're using some custom authentication or you build it with custom framework, you will need to specify information about the form and how to submit it. There's also possibility to share working on the project with your team members. For the advanced tab, you can do things like you can scroll the page. So if you have images that use lazy loading, they will be loaded. You can wait before taking a screenshot for certain time, so all your assets will be loaded as well. You can, if you have your staging and dev environment behind the firewall, you can bypass it by whitelisting our proxy server, or you can use some custom proxy server as well. Because we are using very robust scaling system, we are using Amazon Lambda. In some cases, staging and development environment will be fragile if we will have too many workers hitting it at the same time. So with this setting, you can limit that as well. Another interesting part is the modify section. So what you can do, you can mask or remove elements from your DOM before taking a screenshot. So it is really handy for situations like different pop-ups, ads, or maybe slideshows that are too dynamic and they will generate false positives for you. And also we have a variety of different options for notifications. You can add copy for emails. You can use our Slack integration, so you will have a message in your Slack channel after the job is done, or you can build something custom using our webhooks, so your application will receive results actively. All right, this is it. Welcome to try it out, and please let us know if you will have any questions. Thank you.